Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make these cute little pothead sock gnomes today. A nice easy tutorial. We're going to start with our polymer clay and we're going to start by making our buds. Just all different color green mixed together, giving it lots of texture. We're going to shape it. Add some little leaves in there. And then we're going to start with the body of our gnome. I got these pebbles just at the dollar store. Just add a few in the bottom for weight. And then we'll finish stuffing it with our stuffing. And you can make them as chubby or slim as you want. I like mine to be nice little chubby guys. And then I just finish it off with an elastic at the top. With a little hot glue at the top just to kind of make sure it stays. And then I got this fun fur just from Amazon that I'll leave a link in the description for you. And when you're cutting it, just use an X-Acto knife, separating it with your fingers as you go so you're not cutting right through the hair. And then you can see when you pull it apart, you've got your nice long strands for your beard still. And then we're going to cut some strips out for our mustache. Same way so we can have our nice long pieces. And just use some hot glue to adhere that. So when you're attaching your mustache, you can make them as thin or wide as you like, and curling up or down, whatever is your preference. And then I had made some noses and such out of polymer clay earlier. You can use just a ball of any kind if you like. I like them to look a little more like noses for me. And for these ones I made little eyes. Usually I don't put eyes, but these guys I like them better with them for some reason, with the pot heads. And then I took just the tip of my fun fur, it's like a really thick piece right at the end, and I just cut a strip of that and then glued it together. And this created a little tuft at the top of his hat there. And then just a little dab of glue at the top of his nose too to keep his hat on. So then we're just going to use that same sock that we used the bottom of and cut the top of it for his arms. My scissors were very dull for this job, so it took me a bit. So again, just some wire that I got at the dollar store. I think it's actually for gardening. We just roll that right around that wire. Same thing for the other arm. And then again, I'd made some hands from polymer clay. Just stick that right on the end of it. And then you can pose his arms in whatever position you want him in. And then I just attach the bud with the hot glue. I find it's hard to attach polymer clay with hot glue, so if you use the fabric as well, it kind of helps. So use the fabric of the sleeves there to kind of help attach it. And then I took some leaves that I had made from polymer clay as well, and we stick that over the ugly parts of where the arms are attached. And then just put some random flowers and leaves on them. Decorate his hat up, make him look all cute. And I had to pull out the metallic paints, of course. Just give them a nice dry brush over top to give some highlights to our clay pieces that we made. Just give them a more polished look. And there, our little pothead is done, looking all cute. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I appreciate all the support. Much love to all of you. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.